After completing a successful simulation in NC-Simul, it is time to see how the resultant rough stock stacks up against the 3D model and the tolerances that the print calls out. The gouge material function is similar to the comparison function, both in the Analysis tab. However, it focuses solely on the over-machined material and provides the user with a much more detailed readout of the specific values at each instance. It does still retain the visual scaled feature, identifying the severity of the gouging with a step-colored system. Here it is set so that anything gouged less than 2 thou will appear green and anything gouged more than 8 thou will appear in dark red, ranges and colors that are fully customizable. Additionally, NC-Simul provides the user with a table identifying the tool number and name responsible for creating the gouge, what block number in the program it occurred at, the volume of material removed, and a thickness index providing a unitless readout of the severity of the gouge. By clicking on any of the lines in the table, NC-Simul will automatically snap to the corresponding block of code in the program and show in the 3D window how the tool was positioned when the inaccuracy occurred. The same result can be achieved by clicking on any of the gouges in the 3D window directly. From here, data can be exported as a CSV file, which can be opened and realigned in Excel. With all of this specific data, one will be able to quickly identify what changes need to be made to the program, where they need to be changed, and by how much. It provides a strong visual and quantitative tool, ideal for providing a machinist with a precise program designed to hold even the tightest of tolerances.